Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tengi naga seng chung HITO ngila sepai kan naga korbo syaki perlok garo tengi kermen ru ba hagan jing yelang kajing ban penlong ya kata kajing lang jongki ni kermen bukan yat beja inti bat hek ka ba kidawa kan makir kinyo nang mangiru ni kinyo kum kajing dawa kujungi. We fully support our brother and sister who call for separate Garoland state. We would also like to support the Council of Nokma, the apex traditional body, who have also demanded for special recognition and who are parts of the Grand Council of Chief of Meghalaya, which include Federation of Khasi State for their support on the demands of the Khasi State as per the Treaty of the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement, which was signed and accepted by the Governor-General of India on 17 August 1948. We call on the political parties to make the stance clear on this matter. The Khasi state demands include the 54 Hima Ilaka and 19 Ilaka in Jaintia Hills, including the Khasi village, lands of the Hima, which are under present Assam state and Bangladesh. In 1972, Meghalaya, in 1987, Arunachal and Mizoram were made state. Then in 2000, Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal in 2007 name was changed to Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand were carved out of MP, Bihar and UP. In 2014, Telangana was carved out of Andhra Pradesh. In October 2019, Jammu and Kashmir ceased to exist. Judicial challenge in Supreme Court and two union territories were created, UT of Jammu and Kashmir and UT of Ladakh. Stop. So today we have 28 states and 9 union territories. There is full justification for creating more states in India, but in Meghalaya, the Hito would like to be clear about the demand for a state. The status of the Khasi state mentioned in the first schedule, strangely within Assam, is a constitutional anomaly, as we will accept a new Khasi state only as per the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement in the special article 370A, so as to restore the National Assembly of the Khasi state inaugurated by the Governor of Assam on 29 April 1949, comprising of the 25 chief of 56 MLA elected from the Khasi state and 8 nominated, including 4 men and 4 women. We are willing to join if invited by our Garo brothers.